Welcome back to Lunch at the Market. Today is a really interesting day as there's some really big moves under the hood of this quiet market. The major averages are hanging around the flat line for today, while names like NetFlix, HighSoft, SourceFire, Rare Element Resources, and Freeport-McMoRan are all down 3% or better on the day. We don't have a trade today for RE and FCX. There's no premium in the 95 puts for FCX, so we have to look elsewhere. We already have a risk reversal on RE, R-E-E. We actually might consider adding to the position as the stock is down over 4% today. HSFT and FIRE we think are buys here with the stocks getting hammered. We should have a green light on FIRE, but you may want to sit and wait for HSFT to break $28 before you get long. Support line on the 3-month chart for HSFT shows that the stock could fall all the way to $27.35 before finding support. HighSoft Technology has honored the uptrend in a clean fashion on the way up, bouncing off resistance each time the trading down to or close to support each time for a bounce. Normally the move takes longer on the downside, so a break below that $27.35 level may be too much. Say below $27, you may want to wait to see how the stock acts for a few days before trying to catch the bottom. Finally, NetFlix looks terrible. We are going to play a little chicken with this stock for now, looking at the 3-month chart. The next level of support is really 180, where the stock basically failed on October 27th before trading down to 166, and chance where it found support before the next run up to the upside. The stock is not for the faint of heart, to say the least. We have 2 trades on right now. We are long stock and short December 175 calls against our stock, and we are short December 175, 170 put spreads. The stock has fallen $8 already today on top of the $20 the stock has fallen since it touched 209 on November 30th. NetFlix has been a falling knife, to be sure, and now that the CFO has left for a destination unknown. NetFlix is in the middle of growing its distribution footprint and is available on what feels like nearly every device imaginable, from iPads to Blu-ray players to computers, internet-enabled televisions, and everything in between. The issue with the company from the critical eye is that the technology isn't proprietary, and anyone from Google to Amazon that has a ton of eyeballs could theoretically start a Netflix-like service. Couldn't be done overnight, as contracts will have to be set in place in order to obtain the right to distribute the content, but it's a longer-term concern for the company. I don't know the solution right now, but for the time being it remains a virtual monopoly, with Coinstar's red box as its only real and existing competition. The stock moves enough to sell spreads with a great premium. We got better than $1 for our $5 spreads we sold today, and they expire next Friday. Hence, we'll play chicken and see what comes first for Netflix, Friday or 175. Please do not put this trade on if you are not able to watch it into expiration if you are risk averse. It's not for the faint of heart. We may very well have to roll this trade. We'll keep our eyes peeled and let you know what to do next week. We shouldn't have to worry about doing anything this week with it, but it remains to be seen. Time should be on our side. But for right now, the price action sure isn't. Thanks for tuning in again today. Good luck out there. Often, the most difficult trade is the right one, so know the levels of the stocks on your shopping list, and when they get hit, be sure you take advantage. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.